up? It's ISSA and I am with Keiko, who is busy trying to book, and I'm relying everything on her because she's half Japanese, so I'm just like, ikaw na bahala. I'm reading every single thing. We're going to Namba now to get our passes. So I'll tell you why we're going to Namba in a bit, but then for now, here's your
Hi guys!
your host for today.
Welcome to Osaka. I'm wearing all pink and she's wearing all blue.
We're actually opening our auditions for Buttercup.
We're looking
number
for
namin, the green
Oh my
one.
god, Mela.
We need you.
You know what she just said?
Cakes. Let's get a tattoo. Guys, I'm looking for a third number.
Green.
Buttercup.
Buttercup! Where is Edion Namba?
Edion Namba.
Edion!
Edion, no?
Information center wa doko desu ka? Hey, answer me!
So basically what we did now is we went to one of the pickup stations to get these tickets. So you book it online and then you show them the VR code, which is right there. They scan it and then they give you the ticket. That's it. Yeah, instead of falling in line for each station and each stop and then buying a ticket for each one. Basically this one saves us from
more time!
Yeah, saves us from all of the hassle, time, money, so that we get to our next stop. See ya!
First stop, Osaka Station.
So we took the train from
Osaka
Osaka to
Station.
Shin Imamiya, and then we landed here in Shinkai.
Shinsekai.
Raincoats. It's raining! We'll see you again when we're at the next train station going to our next destination.
Which is Dotonbori. Yeah. Ooh. Get the white one and I'll get the black one. Ooh. Ooh. Yo. Yo.
Hala, hala.
Hola, Dora. Where are we going?
Tap, tap, tap.
Ichiran.
Teach me how to look for the place.
No, so you say Ichiran wa
Ichiran wa?
doko desu ka?
Doko desu ka?
Ichiran wa doko
Doko
desu
desu wa?
desu ka?
Desu ka? Doko desu wa?
Desu ka?
Desu ka? Doko
Girl,
desu ka?
before you even ask that question,
Okay,
we're there
Ichiran
already.
wa doko desu ka? Ichiran wa doko desu ka? Ichiran wa. You don't know? Doesn't know. Thank you. Excuse me, hi. Ichiran wa doko desu ka?
H&M.
H&M, okay. And then I go down. H&M. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
You think you're the only one who can speak Japanese? I did it. Hey.
We're here. We are finally eating.
Bam.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Yeah, we're gonna go straight to Universal Studios, and we're running a little bit late, but it's okay because we kind of want to be there by then. But we also did book it in advance through KLOOK, so we don't have to fall in line. We just gotta like run through and ride through the rides. Okay. We're so excited!
Universal Studios in 3, 2, 1. Joe!
Kidding. We're not yet in Universal Studios. And we're using our passes to get to go to Universal. It's our train right now.
3, 2, 1.
We are here and this is
Baby shark.
So basically, I've been to Universal Studios already, pero in Singapore, so I haven't really seen Japan yet. Do you like it? Baliktad, baliktad. So basically what we did was, we tried the new one. So the first one again was the one-piece water bag. All we did was we watched like a play that they had with a lot of water, and then we had our own gun, and then we could like spray whoever
Shoot
we
them.
wanted to spray. Yeah, we could shoot them, exactly. And then we're done, now we're gonna have lunch. Keiko, it's you. It's Keiko. And then where am I? I am over there. And then we had the pretty guardian Sailor Moon. And the next was the Universal Market where we had our turkey and then
ice
our
cream.
our cooler. We're also trying the minty one. This one's soda flavor, this one's minty. To match it up with our turkey. Anyway, we also got a popcorn bucket with a minion.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that area also we have the Minion Mayhem. How was it?
Super fun.
What are you having? We're having popcorn, banana popcorn. Ay. You gotta pick. Anyway, next was Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
We should go inside. We should get butterbeer.
Okay, so watch out for the windows because there's gonna be like different surprises. There's a attraction inside. There's one there.
This castle.
I also don't know how it's gonna go. I'll let you
Let's
know
see.
again when we come out of it.
The Forbidden Journey. Dude, you gotta try it.
No, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's visually nice also, and then you're actually moving. So right now we're having
Ice cream butterbeer. We're back.
We're actually back, as in like back. We're in Manila.
We're back.
Sorry for the big gap. That last ride that I was talking about. That was the last, and it was raining. And then we were super tired because we had so much fun. So we didn't really get to shoot anything anymore. Plus our batteries died. But anyway, by the way, everything we did was booked through KLOOK just so to save us from all the time and the lines and all that. So it's very easy. I'll send you guys the link down below. And then you can check out their website for all of your future trips.
So what else?
Bye na! So that's it, guys!
Bye!
Yeah.
Arigatou gozaimasu! Bye-bye!
Bye!